Hello everyone, Joan here from Mainly Joan Gaming. I'm going to be one-upping myself. I'm going to be doing the Intercity train stations now. We did the City Train Sporcle, and this time we're doing the Intercity Train Sporcle. So the lines that will be featured in this video will be the Blue Mountains line, the Central Coast Newcastle line, Hunter line, South Coast line, and Port Kembla branch, and towards Montgomery, and the Southern Highlands line. So the border would be for Blue Mountains is Bathurst, Central Coast Newcastle will be Newcastle interchange, Hunter line will be Newcastle interchange, Dungog and Scone. South Coast line will be Bomaderry and Bomader Junction and Port Kembla. Southern Highlands line will be Campbelltown and good old Goulburn. Here we go. Let's start now. Let's start with the Blue Mountains line. Here we go. We got Central, then Redfern, then Strathfield, then Parramatta, and then Westmead. Westmead used for the Oscars and VSETs. Westmead, Blacktown, Penrith, Emu Plains, Lapston, Glenbrook, Blaxland, Warramoo, Valley Heights, Springwood, Falconbridge, Linden, Woodford, Hazelbrook, Lawson, Bullborough, Wentworth Falls, Lura, Katoomba, Medlow Bath, Blackheath, Mount Victoria, Catspell, Bell, interesting, Zig, Zag, Lithgow, Rydal, Tarana, and Bathurst. And then we got Epping, and then through the city we got Town Hall, Wynyard, Milson's Point, North Sydney, Waverton, Wollstonecraft, St Leonard's, Artarmon, Chatswood. Then we got Gordon, and then here we got Hornsby, Asquith, Mount Colah, Mount Karingai, Barara, Cowan, Hawkesbury River. And then Wonderbine, Woy Woy, Coolingwong, Tascott, Point Clare, Gosford, Narara, Niagara Park, Lisero, Orimba, Tuggerah, Wyong, Warnervale, Wai'i, Morisset, Dora Creek, Awaba, Fassifern, Burgle, Taralba, Cockle Creek, Cardiff, Katara, Adamstown, Broadmeadow, Hamilton, Newcastle, Interchange. And then we got for the Hunter line, we got Hamilton, Waratah, interesting, Warrabrook, Sandgate, Hexham, Tarot, Beresfield, Thornton, Medford, Victoria Street, East Maitland, High Street, Maitland. Alright, for Scone we got Lochinvar, Greeta, Branxton, Singleton, Musselbrook, Aberdeen, and Scone. And then for Dungog we got Talara, Minderibba, Patterson, Hill, Martins Creek. Can't spell. Martins Creek. And then Hilldale, Wallarubba, Wirragullah, Dungle. And then South Coast line we got Bonnet Junction, Edgecliff, King's Cross, Martin Place, Town Hall Central, Redfern, Sydenham, Walleye Creek, Hurstville, and then we got Penshurst, Mortdale, Oatley, Janali, Sutherland, Loftus, Engadine, Heathcote, Waterfall. And then Helensburgh, Otford, Stanwell Park, Colcliffe, Scarborough, I can't spell that. Scarborough, Wambara, Coaldale, Austinmere, Thurul. Then we got Bulai, Winuna, Balambi, Caramel, Taraji, Fairy Meadow, North Wollongong, Coniston. And then Port Kembla, so backwards Port Kembla North, Quingula, and Lysards. And then we go continue on for Coniston, we got Unanderra, Kembla Grange Racecourse, which is shortened to Kembla Grange, and we got Depto, Albion Park, Oak Flats, Shell Harbour Junction, which used to be known as Dunmore. Then we got Minamara. In this one, we skipped Bombo because they didn't include Bombo in this Sporcle, but Bombo is in there. Gerringong, Bombo's there in real life. Gerringong, Berry, Bombadary. Alright, and then we go to the Southern Highlands line. We got stuff in Campbelltown, then MacArthur, then it's Menangle Park next, but we go straight to Menangle. Menangle Park, Menangle, Douglas Park, Picton, Tarmore, Bargo, Yerenbull, Mittagong, Barrel, Borrowdoo, Mossvale, Exeter, Bundanoon, Penrose, we got Penrose, Wingello, Talong, Marulan, and Goulburn. Goulburn. Alright, that is all the Intercity train stations on the Intercity Trains Network. On Sporcle, answered for you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Mainly Joan Gaming, and also subscribe to my main channel, Mainly Joan _YT. Hit the bell on both channels so you'll be notified when I make the next video. So yeah, yeah, that's all that. I didn't have trouble on all these lines, so yeah. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the like button down below, hit the bell. I'll see you in the next